In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a character sheet in OpenArt. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent character reference you can reuse across scenes and projects, all built with the tools inside OpenArt. Start by heading to the OpenArt homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the section labeled Character and World. This is where all the character building tools live. From there, choose Create Character to open a new character setup. You'll see two ways to begin. You can upload an image as your starting point, or you can describe your character with words. For this walkthrough, we'll use the text-first route, so select Build Your Character. This keeps everything prompt-driven and gives you structured options to guide the design. Begin with Look Vibe. Think of this as the overall visual mood or style. Pick something that matches your project, like cinematic, painterly, anime, or realistic. The vibe helps the generator keep the character's appearance consistent across different poses and expressions. Next, set fashion. This is the wardrobe and silhouette. Choose the category that captures your character's clothing era, function, or aesthetic. Streetwear, formal, armor, casual, and so on. If you already have a clear vision, choose the closest match and plan to reinforce it in the description later. Now select gender, followed by ethnicity, and then age range. These choices anchor core identity traits that should stay steady from one render to the next. Use them to lock in representation and life stage, which helps with proportions, facial structure, and styling cues. If you're unsure, choose what best reflects the story you're telling and keep it consistent. There's an optional field for an additional description. Use short, concrete phrases that clarify what you've already chosen. Include defining traits like hairstyle and color, eye color, key accessories or props, notable scars or markings, personality cues that affect posture or expression, and a concise role such as resourceful engineer or wandering knight. Avoid mixing conflicting ideas. Clarity beats cleverness here. When everything looks right, click Generate. OpenArt will produce several variations based on your settings. Take a moment to compare them, looking for consistency in age, features, and wardrobe. Pick the version that best matches your intent, then choose Create to finalize. OpenArt will assemble your character sheet with the chosen look and keep those attributes ready for reuse. That's the full flow. Go to Character and World, create character, use Build Your Character, set look, vibe, and fashion, choose gender, ethnicity, and age range, add an optional description, then generate, choose your favorite, and create. You now have a dependable character sheet you can build on.